Okay, yo, what's up, guys? Hey, guys, welcome back to another video, guys. Hey, guys. So in today's video, guys, yeah, guys. All right, welcome to my first video. Yeah, so I'm just gonna be alone because I have no friends, of course. Yeah, so we're gonna be doing some missions. We're just gonna do the first mission, and it's gonna be fun. It's gonna be funny. Why? Because you can see all the active mods I have. He. We're just gonna not that one. This one right here. Speed run. Throw it. Yep. Demolition complete. Let's go. 18 seconds. Let's go. Alrighty. I'm just gonna be playing Teardown, really. I mean, actually, since I actually fixed my microphones, so I'm not so quiet. You know, I had like a $20 microphone. Now this is $300.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap.
Now my microphone's not so quiet. I had to fix that. It's giving off blue light. So, can anyone tell me how this TV's still alive? I'm gonna get out of the fire now. We don't worry about that, guys. We don't. Okay, so, basically, for 3 generations, it went from, you know, a good start, and then he had a weakness for fast cash, so now he's a well-known name in the criminal underworld. Yeah. So, let's go. I haven't played this in a long time, ever since I had my bad computer. Alright, I don't know how to do this. What do? Pull out a ray gun? Hold on, I gotta, like, find it. I'm just looking through all my weapons. I forgot. Time stick. Right. The time stick. The time stick. Just, don't worry. Nothing would get in my way, trust. Yep. Okay. What's in here? Ooh. Grab valuable. That's gone. Okay. Alright. And what do we have to do? Where's... I forgot how to pull up anything. Like, task. Clicking keys. Clicking keys. Clicking keys. That's flashlight. Clicking keys. Keys. Okay. Key. Ow. Man, okay, let's go. Telemorphosis. Yeah, must be locked, huh? Must be locked. Must be locked. Oh, the alarm got triggered. Oh no. I'm gonna, yeah. I don't know where the objects are. Where are they? I'm just gonna, like, pull out a montage of just me running around for 1 hour straight, just trying to find everything. Dice. A bowler's ball. Auto clicker. Okay, I'm just gonna leave. What am I supposed to do? I don't know. I forgot what I was supposed to do. Something about computers, but I don't know where they are. Okay, we don't worry about that. The Lewis. Lewis. Ooh, Doom shotgun. Shotgun jump. Finally, bro. Finally, it tells me something. Alright. What am I supposed to do? That. Okay. Hey, you still here? Because this is like a $200 mic. And if you ever just hear me breathing, that's because I can. And I will. And you will not stop me. And I will breathe intensely more. Just breaking everything. Let me in. Hey. Where's my... Give me that. Yay, I'm so slow. Gotta restart that. It's the weekend, and hopefully I actually have a good video. Oops. No. Let me go. Let's go. Speed run. 52 seconds. You already know. I'm a speed runner. You know? I'm totally not using mods because I'm bad at the game or whatever. Guys, I'm not bad. Yeah, I'm just gonna keep on hitting this. I don't like this chair. Okay, let me just like... Exit. Yay. Don't leave. Aw. Yeah. Stutter, laugh, cough, haha. Local, loquial, luckily, lo, yeah, like lock, right? Don't mind me, guys. Don't worry about it. Okay, we're just gonna leave. Let's leave now. Like quickly, quickly. We gotta get out of here. There's some black hole. Piano. 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 Okay. I think we've had enough fun here.
Spells. Spells. Magic spells. Magic spells. Witchery. Magic spells. Magic spells. Witchery. Magic spells.
Okay, a mission, right? The login devices. Ooh. The login devices. Alright. What do we have to do here? We have to collect that. That. All high end. Okay. Oops. Okay, so I'm assuming all we have to do is just go in. I guess we'll just die. Come on, helicopter, I dare. I dare you. Helicopter, I dare you to spot me. You'll be shot down by missiles. It has no hitbox. No! It's cheating! No, it's cheating! It's cheating! Alright, guys. Okay, where do we go? Okay, there's like one back here. Sure. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. No! No! Did I make it? Alright. Let's actually make this. Go! Go, Mr. Wiener, go! We gotta... No. No. Hey. No fire. Hey. Bad. Alright. That way. Oh, this way. Hamburger. I'm tired of this. Okay. Anything that will help me? Teleportation. Yes, that will help me a lot. Thank you, bro. Thank you. Now where's the teleportation? We're just gonna grab that. We don't worry about that. Okay. Do. Alrighty. Mission time 4 minutes. Time left 42. Alright, you know what? Ooh, I'm an amateur. Yay. New tool. Blowtorch. Okay, good to know. This smashes through brick. Guys, trust me, I could fit through this hole. Yeah, I can fit through that. Okay. Blowtorch. Okay. Messages. They turned off the gas. I can't even make a proper coffee anymore. We really need to bring in more clients. I'll reach out to Gordon and see if he has something else. I haven't heard back from the police. That thing sorted? Okay, making space. We just have to, absolutely delete another, cabin. It's like it was never there. Large safe. Woo! Safe. Safe. I see Safe. I can grab my Doom shotgun. There's a Safe over here. Safe, where you at? Safe's over here. Safe. Hey. There's a Safe here. Up. Free Safe, guys. Dump it in the water. Yeah. It's in the water now. Where do we go now? Okay, you gotta dump this. Alright. Uh-oh, 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 uh-oh. I'm screwed. Guys, I'm screwed. Guys, I'm screwed. Shouldn't have used the blowtorch. Oh, I did it again. Please, please. Save it. Get down here. Thank you. I didn't know this house was that weak. Yeah. Yeet. Never. Hold on, hold on. Give me a second. Yeet. Okay. That's right. I can never reach the Doom shotgun when I need it. Okay. There was absolutely nothing here. There was absolutely nothing here. No evidence. No evidence. I think that boat's gone. No evidence. No evidence. know? We escaped. Yay. Okay. Buddy. Hey. Bro. Come on. Okay. You really want to do this? Oops. Hey. Hey, mister. I could just pick up the entire house. I just picked up the entire house and I was like, okay. It's Gonzo's. That's the entire house for you. Alrighty. Why did I spawn on the roof? No one knows. Hamburger. But we don't ask questions. Sorry, guys, I forgot how to open a door. You just gotta give me a second. Guys, hold on, give me a second. Yeah, okay. I just had to open the door. Ooh, a box. I wonder what's inside. Guys, I wonder what's inside. Could it be a shotgun? I wonder what's inside. Hey, look, a shotgun. I don't need this shotgun. I have a shotgun on my own. I forgot where it is. This shotgun. And this abomination and the Lewis and the God, but the best shotgun of them all. Ow. 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 Blurry. Computer. Okay, there's a classic car action up and back. BR the other day, and one guy just kept overbidding me. Yeah, so basically, had absolutely no interest in cars. He's just looking for ways to rotate his dirty money. Yeah, so basically, he was tired of, being like, hey, I want that car because it's money. So he's like, you know what, I'm gonna do an evil scene since I actually wanted a classic car. Yeah, personally, I'm going to leave about to put this car on the shift any day now and go be out of the country for good. If it's not coming out, I don't know what it is. Can you help me apply these students? I'll take good care of them. Don't worry. Don't worry. If you steal these items, I will take great care. I totally won't sell them off to the black market, just like Craig on eBay for $7. Okay, so I'm assuming we just... physics gone. Where are the cars? Okay. Ow. Put this on in the truck. Spare parts. Okay. Wait. Almost missed something. Okay. What's that? Your car is being stolen. Yeah, so I definitely should have probably grabbed those documents. I'm just gonna abort the meeting. Yeah, I'm gonna abort your minion. I can't ever speak. You gotta understand, I am challenged all the time. Not just in game. Wait a second, where's... There. Hey, give me that. Hey. Never mind. It's wired. Why is it wired though? Why? Okay. Oh no, I'm out of ammo. Oh no! I'm out of ammo, guys. Guys, I'm out of ammo. I accidentally just clicked the wrong button here. Doom shock. Oh no, guys, I'm out of ammo. Guess I'm out of ammo. This one. Okay. Grab, fly, and then grab, I guess. Come back and grab that. Where should we start? I say, grab this, grab that vehicle. No. Grab that. Probably furthest, yeah. Because furthest is always better. You know? But I mean, we can't just drive this. Why not just drive it? Why not just drive it over there? Matter of fact, let's not even drive it over there. Let's literally take it over there. Let's take the entire thing. Be careful. I fucked it up. It's destroyed. Okay. Now we're gonna restart the entire thing. I'm back. Alright. Alright, so, yeah. Spray can. How's it going? How does it go? Hold on. Just give me a second. I think it's like this. I think it's like this, and then it's like that, you know. It's very dumb. Guys, it's Homer. Okay, it's not Homer. I'm going. I'm gonna stop playing around. Guys, look, it's Homer. Yeah, we're gonna restart this mission, and then we're gonna try to get a good time. Alrighty. Let's look at what we have to do, because I already forgot. Right. Up here. No. Knocking that. Pickup target is ready. Alrighty, this is ready. Beep beep Motro. Beep beep Motro. Okay, this cannot fall off. This can. I'm telling you, if this falls off, we're screwed. Slowly. There we go. Okay, we'll leave this one for last. Wait a second, hold on. The parts are still floating over here. I totally didn't just pick it up and just throw it out of existence, and now technically I demolished it. That totally didn't happen. Okay. Let's look at what we have to do. We have to grab that one, grab that one. Oh, we could just boat this. 100% boat this, you know? Yeah, that's good. That's good, guys. You know? Okay, we got that. I mean, we can just, you know, we can't just like. Yeah, just do that. Yep. And then we technically can just. Okay. Yeah. And then. Hold on. Give me just one. Okay, so we have those two. All right, I got this, guys. I got this. You can trust me, right? Right? You can trust me, right? Right. Right. Right, guys? You could trust me. I got this. I'm lying to you. I do not got this. I do not have this, okay? I do not have this in the bag. I do not have this in the bag. I do not have this in the bag. I indeed do not have this. I have this. I got this. Guys, I got this. I got this. Trust. Trust. I got this. Scrambled there, you know? Then I just casually flew past the ship there. Just pick that one up. Place that there. Pick that one up. Place that there. And there you have it. Yay. Alright. Well, oh. What do we have here? Well, what do we have here? Let's see. Knock, knock. Got a whole bed. Guys, we got a bed. Guys, look. I could sleep. I could finally sleep. I could finally sleep. I finally won't be sleep deprived. Guys, look. I've earned my right to... Ah! Alright. New message? Well, too bad. Treadmill. Guys, if you liked the video, you should subscribe and like and rewatch this 17 times. And then like and subscribe again. And then like and subscribe a third time. So then you liked, you subscribed, then you unsubscribed, then you unliked, and then you liked, and then you subscribed. And yeah. Alright, that'll be it for this video. Yeah, so, no, you know what? Actually, cut that out. Why is it pushing me? Stop that. Hey, stop that. I don't like this. I don't like this. It's pushing me. Dice roll. 5. Okay. 5-second outro. Like and subscribe. Yay, the video's over. Now I have to take 10 million years to edit this. I'm gonna. All right.